Hello dear students, I'm Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting this video, I would like to say something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, then note it and proceed further. And although you have facing any problem or difficulties, please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you. Is the question. Two bodies of mass 4 kg and 6 kg are attached to the ends of the string passing over a pulley. The 4 kg mass is attached to the tabletop by another string. The tension in the string T1 is equal to. Here we have given four options. Option A 19.6 Newton, option B 25 Newton, option C 10.6 Newton, option D 10 Newton. Actually, this question is very simple but little bit tricky. What is interesting things in this question? Let's see. Here we have given two blocks 4 kg and 6 kg, which is connected with a string passing over this pulley. But another string which is connected with this table, and we can say that rigid stand. Okay. And what is interesting things here? Interesting things is that their acceleration is zero, because how it is moving downward direction, because it is connected and it is pulling, so therefore here acceleration is zero. This is interesting things. So therefore, this is 6 kilogram is heavier than 4 kilograms. So 6g minus t equal to 0, because acceleration is 0. Now t equal to 6g. It is the first equation. Now tension is acting upward direction. And here T1 is acting downward direction. Why? Because this is rigid state. So therefore, here two forces acting downward direction. 1 mg means 4g, and tension is upward direction. So T minus 4g plus T1, and its resultant is 0. Now substitute this value of 6g minus 4g minus T1 equal to 0. 2g equal to T1, and substitute the value of g, that is 9.8, then we get 19.6 Newton. So this is the answer. I hope so you understood this question. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely for your success, all the credit goes to your hard work. But if my video will help for your success, then I will consider myself lucky. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.